Hey everyone, Rod here. And again, I'm back out at the new construction home here in Harborview community, Beezer Homes community out here in Myrtle Beach. And you can see behind me the house, we are close to a finished product. We do have a tentative closing date in middle of November. The house is looking fantastic. Almost all the flooring is complete. Kitchen's looking great. Drywall, everything's looking fantastic. Got some pictures for you to take a look at. Let's go take a look.